Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's Saturday, November 6th, 2021. In this quick video, I'm going to give you a 1-month update on my success that I've had with Infinity Processing System. So I'm going to take you over to my email, and I'm going to show, oh look at this, somebody just opted into my list right now. So I'm going to take you down here and show you, get this out of here, that back on October 4th, alright, I sent my sponsor James $300. And I joined the Infinity Processing System at the... Alright, so it's a $300 payment. I sent that over to James. He sent me a welcome email. And then I went ahead and followed the steps. And then I paid for my customized website here. And it took a couple of days. And I got my website right here on October 6th. Okay? So it's been 1 month since I've been a part of this. I'll show you my results. On October 18th, I received a $300 payment from Troy. He joined at the pro level. I'll show you that. All right, you were sent $300. You can see right down here, IPS. All right, Troy joined at the pro level for $300, so I made a $300 commission on that. And then back up here on the 27th, I received another $300 payment. You can see right here. Wyclef joined me at the pro level for $300. So I made $600 my first month, okay? And then look at all the leads that I've gotten. All right, so I'm building a list with this because that's, you know, the people that are familiar with this, you know, the money is in the list. So I'm building a huge list. I'm getting 17, 15, all these leads I'm getting every single day. All right, I've had 25 leads come in today. And you can just see every single day I'm getting leads. I'll take you over here to Leads Leap. This is what I'm using for my autoresponder system. Not only can you build pages, you can get advertising with this. So it's a great program. I'll leave a link down in the description box if you want to check it out. Also did a video on this that goes over this in more detail. But I'm going to click over here on the list manager. You can see right here, this is my $300 a day blueprint. And I have 133 people on my list, okay? So what this means for people that don't understand, and I'm going to block all these names and stuff out just for privacy. But you can see here, there's 14 pages, 133 people. Not everybody verifies, but the majority of the people that I have on my list are active. In fact, I'll take you down here and show you the stats here. There's 96 people active, 6 are inactive. There's 31 that are unverified. 3 of them that have been deleted, 10 of them bounced, and then 7 of them unsubscribed, and 1 has reported spam, okay? And I don't know why they report spam when they sign up for the list, but that's okay. So, I'm building a huge list with this. That's not bad. Consider I'm using free traffic methods to have that many active people on my list is huge. When people come onto my list, they're going to get an email series, and I'll show you what that looks like. So basically, once they're on the list, then the emails get fed to them every single day. So this is the first one that they'll get right here. It was sent 107 times. I've had 22 opens and 10 clicks. All right, so it just goes like this. I have a link here. And I really like this program, so it's better than any of the other autoresponders I've ever used. So check it out if you're interested in it. So with that being said, I've not only built a list of over 100 people, I made $600 my first month with this, and I continue to promote it. I'm just following the trainings inside the back office of IPS using free traffic methods. And I'm having success with it, okay? So that's all I wanted to show you. I just wanted to give you a quick update, let you know that this works. We also have a Facebook group where there's tons of people that are making money with this program. If you want to join that group, let me know, and I can send you an invite, and you can check it out for yourself to see more proof. I've also done other videos that show proof of my $300 payments. And it's just a really good program. So if you're interested, the link is down below. You're going to fill out this form. You just enter your name, your email. You click, I want to make $300 a day. You'll be taken over to this page right here where you can watch a short video that goes over the system. And then you can check out the rest of your page yourself. But as you can see, you'll get a personalized website. This is mine right here. People can connect with me on social media. It shows you how it works. And then it shows the 3 different levels that you can join. I also did a video on this as well. We have a starter level package here. It's a one-time payment of $50. And then you have a one-time payment of $25. And that is for your personalized website. We have the elite level, which is $150. And then the $25 for your website. And we have a pro level, which is $300. And then the $25 for your website. Now, these are only one-time payments, like I mentioned, so you never have to make any payments after this. You're going to get everything you need online, whether you're just starting out or a veteran marketer like myself. I've learned many things from this training, and you will too. The key thing is just, once you sign up, is to go and put it to work, right? You got to treat it like a real business. You got to take it serious. And you got to put in the time and effort, because without the time and effort, you're not going to have any results, okay? And while I can't guarantee you're going to get results, I can guarantee you that if you follow the trainings that are inside of IPS, there's no reason you can't have results with this, all right? So if you were to join at the $50 level and had 1 sale a day, that'd be $350 a week or $1,400 monthly. You can see these number of sales per day, what it equals. If you had 1 sale a day at the elite level, that would be a weekly income of $1,050 or $4,200 monthly. And if you had 1 sale a day at the $300 level, that'd be $2,100 a week and $8,400 monthly. And then you're sitting at the 6-figure a year marker right there. So these are just for illustrative purposes only. There's no guarantee that you're going to make anything with this. But like I said, if you put in the work, take it serious, there's no reason you can't have results with this, okay? So if you're interested in learning more about it, click on the link down in the description box. You can leave me any questions in the comment sections below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. But again, this is just a really easy system to use. You're going to get all the training that you need. Learn to use attraction marketing, okay? So you're not pestering your family, your friends, your relatives. You're just going to be copying and pasting pre-written ads. They're high converting on social media sites, and people are going to reach out to you if they're interested, and then you even get scripts on what to say and write back to them if they ask for more information. It's really a no-fail proof system, and like I said, it's just been great. So you just pay for it one time. Another cool thing is you can use whatever payment processor you want to receive payments. So it's fully customizable, and it's something worth checking out if you're serious about making money online. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I'll see you in the next video, and as always, peace be with you.